In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Grok on Twitter, X. First, make sure you're signed into your X account on desktop or in the mobile app. From your main feed, head to the home screen. This is the standard landing page you see when you open X, and it's the best place to start because all the key navigation lives here. Now turn your attention to the left sidebar on desktop. This is where X keeps quick links to features like Explore, notifications, messages, and more. You should see an option labeled Grok. On mobile, you may find Grok in the main menu. If you don't see it yet, it may not be available in your region or plan, so just keep your app updated and check back periodically. Click Grok. The Grok chat interface will open right away inside X. You'll land on a clean chat window with a text box at the bottom. Think of this like any modern AI chat. You type a prompt, Grok reads it, and returns an answer in the conversation pane. You can scroll to review previous replies, and you can continue the same thread to add context. Go ahead and start typing your prompt in the message field. Be clear and specific about what you want. Short questions work, but adding details helps Grok give you a more focused response. If your request is complex, break it into 1 or 2 sentences and mention any constraints like timeframes, tone, or format. When you're ready, press enter to send. As a simple first prompt, try asking what is trending today. This plays to X's strengths and gives you a quick feel for how Grok summarizes timely topics. You can also ask for context, sources, or a quick breakdown in plain language. If the first answer isn't quite right, follow up in the same thread. Ask for examples, a shorter summary, or a different angle. Grok will generate a response almost instantly. Read it through, and if something stands out, drill deeper with a clarifying question. You can refine the output by asking it to be more concise, to include key bullet points in sentence form, or to compare 2 items. And remember, treat the chat like a conversation. Each follow-up helps Grok tailor its answer. That's it. Open X and go to home, find Grok in the sidebar, click to open the chat, type your prompt, try a trending example, and let Grok generate. Keep prompts specific, iterate with follow-ups, and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. With these basics, you'll be ready to get fast, useful answers without leaving X.